Hi friends, it's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not doing my hair. This is actually still my wash and go that I did with Jam from last week. I don't know what happened here. I'm gonna stretch that out eventually. Maybe I might just wash my hair and like start fresh, but this is still that wash and go is my whole point. Today I'm actually going to be doing a face mask. I've used this mask before on my hair. I actually have a video about it on my channel, so if you haven't seen that, go watch it. I actually did on my face in that video too, but today I'm only doing it on my face. So this is the Aztec healing clay mask. Gonna use that with this apple cider vinegar with the mother. Yeah, my face has been like kind of sort of giving me problems, kind of sort of like chilling. I don't know, it's been like a very weird time for my face. Like, I don't know what's going on like right here, but I feel like this mask is built for detox. It's built for detoxing. So whatever this is, it should clear it up, or should, you know, at least help clear it up. I have to admit, I have not been taking the best care of my skin, so it could just also be that. Like, I wash my face every day with like at least water, but I don't always use like face wash. I'm just terrible. And then sometimes I won't use like my shea butter for my moisturizer. I'll just use like the Neutrogena body oil. That is not the right kind of moisturizer, so my face is like, what do you want from me? What do you want? So I'm gonna try to reset it with this mask, and you guys can just watch me do it and vibe out. Okay, so I rinsed my mask off, and now I'm gonna put on this Moisture Bomb sheet mask that I got from Garnier. And we're gonna just figure this out together, because this is my first face mask, and I don't know how, like, I can read the directions on the back, of course, but I don't really know how to do it. So, I'm gonna use my shea butter. That's like my go-to moisturizer now. I don't even have any other moisturizer, but if I need one after this sheet mask, I'll use that. But I shouldn't need one, I don't think, after this. Okay, so you gotta like unfold it, of course, and put the white side on your face. Okay, let's figure this out together, y'all. Ooh, it smells good. It's nice and cool. Ooh. Okay. And they have big lips. Okay, I gotta peel this blue part off. But like, how do I get to the blue part? Hold up. There we go. And you wanna like peel it. Ooh, okay. And then you just like rearrange it. I feel like the episode of The Office with the dummy and Dwight cut the face off. I feel like him right now. This feels like super cool and moisturizing. Okay, so we got the face mask on, or the sheet mask rather. I'm definitely tearing this eye hole up because it's like too close to my actual eyeball. But okay, yeah. I got a lot of forehead. Like, why is all of this forehead out? Like, that don't make no sense. It's supposed to be up higher. But if I put it up higher, then it's not gonna be in the right place or anywhere else. Then you need some black girl mouth holes. Like, alright, so what happens now is you let your mask sit for 15 minutes and then you peel it off and you rub the rest of it in to like be your moisturizer. So I actually should not need to put any shea butter on after this because this is very moisturizing and it's gonna have like extra juices left, so I can like rub it up into my little forehead that's peeking out. Cause I got a lot. I got a 5 head, obviously. Cause this is supposed to cover your forehead, and I still have like head left. So, but anyway, we're gonna just sit here. So we're back. It's been about 15 minutes, and now you're just supposed to like just peel it off and rub it in. Oh, I look extra moisturized. Like I look like kind of glossy. This feels really good. Okay, so I know I didn't show you like a close-up of how my skin was earlier, like before I did the mask and before I did both masks. But my skin definitely feels like so rejuvenated. Like I definitely feel like the clay mask did its job. It showed up, it clocked in on time, it was just firing on all cylinders. She did that, okay? But I also feel like the sheet mask showed up, you know, for second shift, and she clocked in and she was like, dry skin, no, we're not doing that. So like I was saying earlier, like over here was feeling kind of like flaky. Like I literally would wash my face, right? I would use face wash, I would exfoliate using my my little brush, and then I would put on some shea butter as a moisturizer. And if I didn't put on like an excessive amount, that would have me like looking like I got baby oil on my face, then my face would be dry within like 2 hours. And I feel like that's not supposed to happen. I'm no skincare guru because I have actually been very lucky, very blessed to not have problem skin growing up in like my teenage years. Like when you're more acne prone, I've been very lucky that I didn't have trouble skin growing up. The most issues I've had has been recently. And I think it's just because like I'll be slacking off. Like I do really good for a little bit and then I slack off. And my skin will go through like a change and it'll be like, okay, we were good, we're happy. Yeah, we're getting clean. Oh snap, we're getting exfoliated. Oh snap, we're getting moisturized. Oh snap. And then I stop for like 2 days And it's like, oh, we not getting those things? Okay, well then we gonna just go ahead and just get all messed up. And then when I try to fix it, I don't be consistent with my fixes. So it's just a big cycle that I've been in recently of like not taking care of my skin, which is awful because like you think I'd be taking good care of my skin because I get on camera and be talking to y'all and my skin just be like flared up, acting up. Like this area and like this have just not been good for like the past like 2.5-3 weeks. However, I think I got them together now. Like it really feels like like a baby's bottom. Like this joint feels so smooth, y'all. Like I'm not joking. Like if you're having issues with your skin and you usually don't, do a clay mask and then do a moisturizing sheet mask, and I guarantee you, you will be good. I don't know what to tell you if you do have problem skin. I'm not well versed in that arena, but like, you know, the internet is like a crazy place, so you can, you know, Google some stuff, look at some videos on YouTube, or here's the best option, you can see a dermatologist and they can guide you to the right thing because they went to school for that, so they know what you need. But yeah, so this has been a skincare video with your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure you are subscribed to my channel. If you're not, hit that button down below and hit the bell beside it so you don't miss any of my new uploads. I upload 3 times a week now, and I don't want you guys to miss anything because I feel like everything I upload has a purpose, some kind of education that you can get from it, and I want you guys to be the best you that you can be. So thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.